Hi children, welcome back to EVS class. In previous video, we have learnt the different types of birds, animals which lives in water and how the plants and animals and human beings are happy when the drop of water comes to the earth in the form of rain. Okay, now let us discuss the next activity. Okay children, see here activity. Some of the animals are given below. These some animals they have given below. Write their names below their pictures. Below their pictures we have to write their names. To place them in the proper habitat, write their names in the suitable column. See here, they have given some animals. What we have to do? We have to We have to write the names. It's a crocodile. I have written here crocodile, frog, whale, snake, prawn, fish, crab, tortoise, starfish, octopus, shell, cowrie shell, jellyfish and seahorse. Okay, now let us move to activity. See here students, they have given rivers and sea. Those animals we have to bifurcate which lives in sea and which animals they are living in river. Crocodile, it is living in river. Frog, river. Fish, small fishes, they live in river. Crab, they live in river. Tortoise, they live in river. Snake also, they live in river. Here the big water bodies, they live in sea because the sea has more space. It is a wide space. It has wide space. So all big animals which they live in sea are whale, prawn, octopus, jellyfish, seahorse, starfish, cowrie shell and molluscal shells also they live in sea, and crab also they live in sea, on the bank of that sea. Okay, crab also you can write here. Now see here the droplet, what it is telling to us. Have you seen a pond? Have you saw the pond? It is asking. A river or a sea? Have you saw the pond, river or a sea? Collect the pictures of the plants and animals that live there. We have to collect the pictures of plants and animals. Where in means the animals which live in river, pond or sea, we have to collect their pictures. Paste them in a used notebook. We have to paste them in a used notebook and write their names. What we have to do? We have to collect the sea, we have to collect the plants and images of animals which live in pond, river or sea. And what we have to do? We have to paste them in a scrapbook. Okay, see here. Oh, how many plants and animals are living in water? The children is telling, they are telling how many plants and animals are living there. See, when it rains, everything looks green. Here this girl is telling, see there, when it rains, everything looks green. Everything looks green. The plants and trees grow and become beautiful. The plants and plants, they grow, they looks very beautiful. The ponds and rivers flow full of water. Oh, how wonderful. See, the plants and birds also feel very happy. They look very beautiful. They grow in a green color. The plants grow in a green color. All the birds feel happy. They start to sing in the sky. Okay. But it will not be the same in summer. The children, they are discussing among themselves. In summer season is very hot. There will be no rain. So they are discussing, it will be not be the same in summer. In summer season, we won't look the greenery. The nature will look dry. It doesn't look wet and green. So in rainy season, we look it very much beautiful. True, the drop is telling, True, ponds and streams will dry up. The ponds and streams will dry up. There will be less water in the river too. In rivers also there will be less water. The all the area become dry in summer like this. Okay. See here. Yes, drop of water. Then the drop of water will tell. Yes, these children are telling to a drop of water. Yes, the area becomes dry that time in summer season. See here. Here it is one activity. There are ponds and rivers in your place. There are ponds and rivers near our place. Where we are staying, we are seeing the ponds and rivers. Aren't there? To show the level of water in them, put right mark in the table given below. What we have to put? We have to put right mark. How it will be? We are seeing the rivers and ponds in our place where we are staying. See here. Rivers. Rivers in rainy season, it flows high. And in winter season, it flows in average. Not more high, not less. Okay. In winter season, they flow in a medium way. In summer season, low. In summer season, the river flows very low. Lake. In rainy season, it flows high. In winter season, it flows in average, medium, and in summer season, it flows in low. Streams also, in rainy season, it flows very high. And in winter season, it flows in average, in medium. And in summer season, it flows very low. Okay. Others also, the sources of water also, they flow in same level. Okay. See here, children. Here is one activity. Why does the level of water in the river, ponds and wells vary during different seasons? Ask your elders and know the reasons here. In the summer season, there will be too hot. So, all the lakes and rivers become dry in that season. So, there will be a shortage of water. So, it varies from the rainy season and winter season. In winter season, there will be medium. The level of water will be the medium. It flows little bit in the medium size. Okay. And in rainy season, it will be too high because there will be rain. If the rainy season starts, the flow of water level will increase. In summer season, the water level decreases. Okay. Because of the dry and hot sun. Because of the climate will be too hot. So, the area become dry. Okay, children. By this, we end our today's video. Thank you, children.